Have you ever read through a passage of scripture and thought, I have absolutely no idea what I just read? If so, you're not alone. But there is good news. Prophets and apostles have a special responsibility to help us interpret and understand the scriptures, and the Gospel Library app allows you to create links between what they have said and the scriptures that they're speaking about. Let's take a look at an example from Elder Gary E. Stevenson's April 2021 conference talk. Remember when he told us the story of the researchers who fed a group of rabbits high-fat diets, then monitored the results? The researchers were shocked to find that one group of rabbits had 60% less fatty buildups in their arteries. Upon further examination, it was determined that although they ate the same diet as the other rabbits, the healthier group was cared for by a researcher that consistently showed her love for the rabbits by talking to them, cuddling them, and petting them. So Elder Stevenson went on to use that story as an example of D&C 121 verses 41 and 42, which says, "No power or influence can or ought to be maintained by virtue of the priesthood, only by persuasion, by long suffering, by gentleness and meekness, and by love unfeigned." If you'd like to remember that story the next time that you read that passage, Gospel Library allows you to link the two together. So here's how you do it. Hold your finger down on the text that you want to link, then use the blue dots to adjust how many verses are selected. In this case, it might be quite a few. Then select the link button in your toolbar and navigate to D&C 121 by selecting Scriptures, Doctrine and Covenants, and Section 121. Elder Stevenson cited verses 41 and 42, so scroll down to those verses and simply tap each verse you want to link with your finger, and when you're ready, select Add to complete the process. Now, if you look in the margins, the link icon appears, and by tapping on the icon, you can see what you link to, and if we navigate back to the verse, you can see that the link appears next to the scripture as well. So now next time you read that verse, you'll have a prophetic explanation waiting in the margins to help you better understand it. The prophet's words help us understand dozens of verses every general conference, so if you'll text the word link below the last message I sent you, I'll send you a great example that you can practice linking to the scriptures. Good luck.